friends. Today we're going to do the pretzel breath. So I'm sitting crisscross applesauce right now. You can cross your arms like this, or hands out in front. Cross over, point your thumbs to the floor, match your pinkies together, bring your arms up, put your thumbs on your chin, put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and breathe in. Let's do it again. Breathe in. One more time. Breathe in. All right. Today's story is we're going on a nature hunt. It is another really awesome day outside, so hopefully you guys can go outside and go on your own nature hunt. Let's see what they find. This is by Steve Metzger, illustrated by Miki Sakamoto. I have permission to read this from Scholastic. We're going on a nature hunt. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a bridge, a narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers. But don't pick them, leave them growing. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a pond, a clear, sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pads. Paddle your boats to the lily pads. It's a slippery, sloppery frog. Look at that frog jump and swim. Don't scare it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Down, dig, dig, dig down into the ground. It's a worm. Look at that wiggly, waggly worm. But don't hurt it. Keep it safe. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out. Climb, climb, climb up to the crooked branch. It's a scritchety, scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. Don't touch it. What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. It's a beehive. Let's go. Uh-oh. Back down the tree. Back through the meadow. Back across the pond. Back over the bridge. Whew, we're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last. would love to know what you guys find on your nature hunts if you go on one today or at a later date. All right, now think of everyone you want to wish well. Think hard in your brain. Bring all those wonderful people to your hearts. We wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day today. We wish you well. Bye, friends, and I hope you have an awesome day today.